Hi guys, so today our lesson is grammar. We will study about good and well. So what do you know about good and well? Okay, so before I start the explanation of the lesson, let me share the objectives with you. So the first objective is to identify the difference between good and well, means we will know the difference between good and well. And second objective, we will use good and well in writing meaningful sentences. Okay, let's start. We have good and well. So as you see, good is an adjective, and if you still remember, we already studied about adjectives. Okay, so the second one, which is well, it is an adverb. Okay, let's see the difference now. More explanation. So good is an adjective that describes a noun. When I say the adjective that describes a noun, means it gives me information about a noun. Okay? When I say an adjective describes a noun, means it gives me information about the noun. Let's see some examples. For example, he is a good friend. He is a good friend. So here we have the word friend. Okay, the word friend is a noun. Okay, and here I have the adjective good. Okay, the adjective good. It gives me information about this noun. It tells me how this friend is. So, good friend. Okay, so this is the first example. The second example, I have bought some good shoes. The same thing here. So I have here the adjective good, and I have the noun shoes. Okay, shoes is a noun. Okay, so this adjective good tells me about these shoes or this noun. Is this clear? I repeat. Good is an adjective, and adjectives are used to describe nouns, to give information about nouns, and usually the adjective comes before the noun. Okay, look, I write good and then I write the noun. Same thing here. I write good and then I write the noun. That's why we say the adjectives come before the noun. Okay, let's continue. Now, the word well, we said well is an adverb. Okay, well, we said is an adverb. What do we mean by an adverb? Actually, an adverb is a word that describes a verb. It means it tells me about the verb. We said the adjective describes the noun, but the adverb describes the verb. Describe means it gives information about the verb. Okay, let's see some examples. He speaks English well. So the verb here is this one, speaks. Okay, and you have the adverb well. When I say he speaks English well, it tells me how he speaks English. He speaks well, okay? That's why we say the adverb describes the verb. It tells me about the verb. Let's see the second one. I can hear you well. I can hear you well. So where is the verb here? Yeah, so the verb is here. I hear. So how do I hear? Oh, yes. I hear you well. Same thing here. I'm using the verb well to describe the verb hear. I hear means I listen. Okay, so usually the adverb well comes at the end of the sentence. Okay, it comes at the end of the sentence, not like the adjective good, which is usually before the noun. Okay, so I repeat, we said well is an adverb and it describes a verb. Okay, and usually it comes at the end of the sentence. So this is for the the adverb well. If we go back to the adjective good, we said good is an adjective which describes a noun. Okay, it gives information about the noun. Like here we said good friend, good shoes. You have, of course, plenty of examples. Okay, yes. So let's see now, next point. Okay, for practice, you must go to the school portal. There is a link there. You click on the link, you watch the video, and then you answer the questions. Then you click on submit so that I receive your answers. Thank you very much.